Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to do exercise 8B, and in exercise 8B we have to learn about line graph, we have to learn about pie chart, but and also we do solve some sums related to bar graph. But first we have to start with pie chart. Okay, so we move towards the first question. Here they are written. They are, in question number 1, they have gave you a table, and that table show the mode of transport students come to school. Okay, and the mode of transport are bus, car, bicycle, foot, and you have to, according to this information, you have to construct a pie chart. But before constructing a pie chart, first we have to come to that information. Okay, and the students who come to bus, just give me 1 minute. I have to just give me 1 minute. Okay. The students who comes to a bus, that are total students are 768. You have to look at the book, this information given. And when we have to add all the students who come by bus or car or bicycle, so when we have to add all the students, the total sum is 1280. Okay, and there are two methods for finding for constructing pie chart. One is percentage method and the other one is angle sector method. So first we have to do for percentage method. Here we have to multiply it by, okay, so we have to multiply it by 100%. Obviously, when we have to use percentage method, so you have to use this sign. Okay, and the answer is 60%. So quickly we have to do this. The next one is the students who come by car. So this one is equal to total students who come by car are 256. And the total is, again, we have to write the same total, and then we have to multiply it by this one. So I have to just copy paste this information. So, and the answer is 20%. Okay. Now we come to the next, where few students come by cycle. Okay, and the who come by cycle are total 64 students. Okay, and here and below we have to write the total sum of all the students, and then I have to use this information, multiply. Obviously we are doing percentage, so we have to again multiply it by 100%. So answer is 5%. Okay, now a few students come on foot. So 192 students divided by 1280, and again for a percentage I have to multiply it by 100%, and the answer is 15%. Okay, this is information by using the percentage method. So okay, I have to write it for you. So that method is called percentage method. Okay, and this one is the first method. I think so it is very much easier for you now. I think so I will go for the next method also. I have to change the color. Okay. Now we, okay. So we move towards the next method. So first I have to change the color. Okay. Now we come to the text. And second method is called angle sector method. As its name shows, angle sector, or do you know the complete circle is equal to how many degree? Yeah, it's equal to 360 degree. So we have to multiply all that information which we have already written in. This information will remain the same. Okay, wait. Oh, I want to copy down it. Then okay, I have to rewrite it. Sorry. So I have to rewrite it. Bus. So it is equal to this information will remain the same, 768 and divided by 1280. Okay. Next one is the car. Again, the information I have to write it quickly. That is, please help me. 256 divided by 1280. Okay. Next, we move towards bicycle. And that is again the same one. Obviously, the same students come on by bicycle. That is 1280. And next, we have to move towards foot. On foot. That is 192 divided by 1280. Now we comes to the angle sector method. In angle sector method, always remember that we have to multiply it by, the complete circle is over how many degree? 360. So we have to multiply it by 360 degree. Okay. And that is equal to, when I have to multiply it by 360 degree, it is equal to 216 degree. Okay. So the degree sign, I will put the degree sign later on. Okay. So we have to come to the next. The same information I have to rewrite again and again. So I have to copy paste here. Because this one is an angle sector method. So we have to multiply all these with the degrees. And that is 360 degree. Okay. Next one is 72 degree. And next one is, okay, the next one is 18 degree. And that is 54 degree. Okay. First, they gave us a table, and here in the table, they gave us information. The mean of transport students use for coming to school, that is bus, car, bicycle, and foot. Okay. And we have, firstly, I have to tell you how you have to convert this information by using percentage method. Then we have to come to angle sector method. Now we have to construct pie chart. Okay. So first I have to save it. So these two methods I have to use. Now I want to save this information. Okay. Now I have to save it. Now we comes to this. Okay. Always remember a complete circle is of 360 in case of angle sector method. But if we are using this method, percentage method, then complete circle is of equal to 100%. And when we have to divide into two part, it is equal to 50 and 50%. Okay. What is a half of 100%? 50. So it is 50, and this one is also 50. Similarly, if the complete circle is of 360, so half is equal to 180 and 180. Okay. And when we have to divide into quarter, in case of 100, obviously when we have to divide 100 by 4, it is equal to 25. So this means each quadrant is of 25%. But in case of pie chart, angle sector, by using angle sector meter, each quadrant is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now we comes to the other portion of this question. So I have to put it here. Okay. Which thing I want to use? Okay. One. Just give me 1 second. Oh. So I have to draw it again, no problem. I have to insert a shape from here. I want to draw a circle. I have to draw it here. Okay. So this one is a complete circle. In case of percentage, this circle is of equal to, yes, but it is equal to, it is equal to 100%. And when I have to take its half, okay? So each half is of equal to, just give me, where? When I have to convert into half, each half is of 50. Yes, it is equal to 50. Yes, 50%. Now I have to convert into quarter. So each quadrant is equal to 25. Okay. Now I have to divide all that equally into 5 parts. Okay. All quadrant equally 5 parts. Okay. First, second, third, and that is fourth. Clear ho gaya? Again, look here. Actually, Allah gave us balancing in our eyes, so we can balance easily. We have to divide each quadrant into 5 equal parts. Okay. So comes to the next one. 1, 2, okay, 3, and that one is 4. That is 3. Okay. Now we can move toward this. 1. This give 1, 2, 3. That is 4. Okay. We have to divide all these quadrants into 5 equal parts. Now we comes to the information. In case of percentage method, the whole circle is of 100%. When we have to divide into half, each half is of 50%. And then we have to divide into quadrant. So each quadrant is of 25%. Okay. So first we have to move towards the first information. I have to change the color so it becomes easier for you to see what I'm saying. Okay, that is 60%. You know that this one is 25%, this one is 25. 25 plus 25 kya ho jayega beta? 50. And we need 60%. This means further I have to take the first part, that is 55, and this is 60. So this one is the center. So I have to join this center with this 60. Look here. ये देखिए 50% तो ये हाफ हो गया, उसके बाद 55 and 60 and I have to join it with this line. Okay, तो ये जो सारा होगा portion, ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा 60%. Okay, I have to write it for you also. Wait. So I have to write this 60 here. So it is equal to 60%. Okay, this portion, look here, ye half and these two are equal to 60%. Next is 20%. Okay, this depend upon you from where we have to take. So I have to take it here. First I have to change the color. So change it into pink. Look here, 20. Look here, ye 5. Okay, look here, 5, 10, 15 and 20. So I have to join this from this. Oh, ये भी yellow है. चलो मैं इसका color change कर देती हूँ. Now I have to take green. आपको green नजर आ रहा है? अब ये देखिए, इधर से लेकर इधर तक ये जो green portion है, ये कितने equal है? 20 के. इसको मैं यहाँ लिख लेती हूँ ताकि आपको easy हो जाए. Okay. Wait. यहाँ मैं 20% लिख लेती हूँ ताकि आपको ये easy हो जाए. 20%. Clear? Yet this one is 20%, this is 60. 60 को मैं येलो से दोबारा प्रोमिनेंट कर देती हूँ ताकि आपको क्लियर हो जाए. फिर look here, ये देखिए, the from here when we have to start it from here, this one from here इधर से लेकर look इधर से लेकर ये complete 50 and this one ये नजर आ रहा है. तो ये पूरा क्या हो जाएगा 60%। ये मैंने येलो लाइन से उसको कलर भी कर दी ताकि आपको क्लियर हो जाए। तो ये सारा पोर्शन जो है ये हाफ और उसके आगे 10, ये है 60 और ये तो 20 है। देखिए 5, 10, 15, 20, ये क्या हो जाएगा 20% हो जाएगा। क्लियर हो गया। अब ये रिमेनिंग 5 रह गए। 5% क्या था, बाइसिकल, तो ये हो जाएगा 5%। ओके, आई हैव टू राइट इट फॉर ए, मैं इसलिए आपके लिए बार बार लिख रही हूँ ताकि आपको इजी हो जाए। ओके, अब ये आ जाएगा 5%, 5%। ओके, अब जो रिमेनिंग है आप इसको काउंट कर लें। रिमेनिंग क्या रह गया 5, 10 एंड 15, और ये 15% क्या था बाय ऑन फुट। ओके, तो अब यहाँ मैं जस्ट इसकी वैल्यू लिख देता हूँ 15% यूजिंग ग्लू। सो दिस वन इज here I have to write it here 15%। ओके, ये क्लियर हो गया। ये इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पास गिवन थी। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस इंफॉर्मेशन आई हैव टू ड्रॉ सर्कल। और आपको पता है ना कंप्लीट सर्कल जो होता है ये इट रिप्रेजेंट पाई चार्ट। कंप्लीट सर्कल इज ऑफ 100%, देन आई हैव टू डिवाइड इनटू हाफ। इट्स ईच हाफ इज इक्वल टू 50%, देन आई हैव टू डिवाइड इट इन क्वार्टर। ईच क्वार्टर इज ऑफ इक्वल टू 25%. So I have to divide each quarter in 5 equal parts, and her each part represent 5. So first I have to take 60%. So first I have to take half, and then these two parts. So it becomes 60. Then I have to, from here I have to take 20. Then this one is total 25 है, तो obviously 20 निकल के तो बाकी 5 रह गया, और ये रिमेनिंग जो है 15। क्योंकि टोटल 25 है, 10 निकल गया बस, तो बाकी ये रिमेनिंग 15। तो ये मैंने इस तरह इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट किया यूजिंग परसेंटेज मेथड। नाउ आई हैव टू ड्रॉ द सेम पाई चार्ट यूजिंग दिस एंगल सेक्टर मेथड। अब देखें इसमें सिंपल वैल्यूज चेंज होगी, बाकी वही है। सपोज मैंने अगेन आई हैव टू ड्रॉ सर्कल। इस केस में सर्कल किसके इक्वल होगा 360 डिग्री के, और जब मैं हाफ करूंगी तो ईच हाफ किसके इक्वल होगा 180। You are using protractor, each protractor is of 180, or when you have to combine two protractor it become a complete circle. I think so now it's clear. Okay, similarly you have to divide each quadrant of using angle sector method into 4 parts. तो each quadrant किस, अगर हाफ 180 है तो 180 का हाफ क्या होगा 90। दिस मीन ईच क्वाड्रेंट इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री। और अगेन मैं इसको 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करूंगी तो हर पार्ट किसके इक्वल होगा 18 डिग्री के। यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया। अब फर्स्ट मैंने इंफॉर्मेशन ले दिया 216। अब ये देखिए आपको पता है कि हाफ 180 के इक्वल है, 180 के इक्वल है ना, और ये हर पार्ट किसके इक्वल है 18। 18 और 18 क्या हो जाएगा 36। 180 में 36 प्लस करो तो क्या आएगा 216। तो इसका मतलब ये 60% है। और अगर मैं इसको डिग्री में लिखूं तो ये कितने डिग्री आ जाएगी, ये आ जाएगी 216 डिग्री। ओके, सो आई हैव टू राइट इट हियर फॉर यू, इट इज इक्वल टू 216 डिग्री। क्लियर हो गया। ये जो पोर्शन है यानी जो 60% है वही 216 डिग्री है। अब आ जाते हैं मूव टूवर्ड्स 20% पे। जो 20% वाला होगा वो 72 डिग्री हो जाएगा। मतलब है 4 पार्ट्स लेंगे तो 4, जब 18 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा बेटा आपके पास, ऑब्वियसली आपके पास यही आंसर आएगा ना 72। तो यहाँ आप क्या लिखेंगे 70, जो 20% है वो आपके पास कितने डिग्री है 72 डिग्री। ओके, और अब उसके बाद रिमेनिंग ये 5 रह गया। ये जो 5% है ये डिग्री में देखा जाए तो ये एक जो पार्ट है वो कितने डिग्री है 18%। में वो 5% है, लेकिन पार्ट्स में क्या है डिग्री, तो ये क्या आ जाएगा 18 डिग्री। क्लियर। और रिमेनिंग अब ये 15 ही रह गया। तो ये जो 15 है इसमें 3 है, 1 2 3। एक पार्ट अगर 18 है तो 2 कितने होंगे 36, और 3 कितने होंगे 54। सो इट इज, ये जो 15% है आपके पास कितने डिग्री है 54। I think so it's clear. It's clear to all of you. I think so it's easier for you how to construct pie chart. So this is the first question related to pie chart. For the next question, just wait for a few seconds. Allah Hafiz.